I used to walk with the dinosaurs, they were everything to me. My homies, the heart of my family tree. From Triassic to Jurassic, Cretaceous was the end, 185 million years. Now that's a best friend, all of those years. But now it's just tears as I realize everything great one day disappears. So I'm here today to tell their story to you. Gonna rap, drop a beat till I'm blue. I hope y'all are ready. I'm about to bring the rhyme. We gotta rock this city like it's the land before time. 'Cause I'm sorry in advance, no way to be tactful. There ain't no better thing than a freaking pterodactyl. Dinosaurs, hear me roar, I feel your pain. Arranged, you were slain off your home, your terrain. Cut from my heart like you were cut off the food chain. Asteroid hit like a knife on the jugular vein. Stop a minute, now let me explain. You think an elephant is huge? You think a blue whale is big? Did their wimpy bones take 3 months to dig? The dinosaur with giant spines is called Spinosaurus. He's at least twice as badass as Chuck Norris. Brontosaurus was as heavy as an elephant times 4. Could have single-handedly won the First World War. Stegosaurus with armor plates. And you dare to ask what makes dinosaurs so great? But they dug up your bones and put them on display like you were a lifeless painting done by Manet. A museum's not a home, it's more like a jail, where people come to point at your long spiky tail. On all the continents you used to roam, now all that's left are your fossils in a geodesic dome. Utahraptor, Iguanodon, Brachiosaurus, with 1,000 different species, better grab a thesaurus. But dinosaurs were misunderstood. Their name means terrible lizard, fierce gangstas in the hood. But dinosaurs weren't even lizards at all. They were way more savage than those little creatures that crawl. These prehistoric beasts outclass your granny by far, 'cause her bones will never get to power your car. And you don't gotta worry about no cops when you're riding on the back of Triceratops. Stegosaurus, Brontosaurus, gentle Trachodon, Velociraptor, Triceratops, raptors whereupon I blink, you're extinct, overdue, now you're through. Sauropods, theropods, Hadrosaurus too, maybe you're over, but I'm not over you. Barney, Littlefoot, Rex from Toy Story, even little kids know of your glory. You say your dog can lie, sit down and shake, but can he turn your school bully into Salisbury steak? Tell your teacher your dog ate your physics homework for class. Well, 1,000 pounds of dinosaur will teach him about gravitational mass. 'Cause if your parent asked you what you want for a pet, any kid would say dinosaur. I bet the whole national debt. Tyrannosaurus with bone-crushing teeth. He was my homeboy, a fearless soul underneath. T-Rex, dinosaur, do the creep on the dance floor. Better get down with the dino gang or you're done for. I bet Spot and Rover guard your house a bunch. Well, Rex here will eat up any burglars for lunch. And with all the great stuff they say about T-Rex, it's no wonder your former girlfriend's now your ex. They say birds are the descendants of the dinosaur, but they got too many feathers and got the rapport. And all they do is tweet, they can't even roar. Above all, birds appall 'cause they're way too small. Instead, I want a beast that could eat the town hall. In Jurassic Park, there's a reason they use dinosaurs and not birds or sharks. Dinosaurs are the bomb, ain't no question marks. So here we are at the end of this dinosaur rap. Dinosaur, want some more? Well, let me recap. Dinosaurs like cooler than a cold snap, roar louder than a blasting cap, more vicious than a booby trap. Just watch that pterodactyl flap. Dilophosaurus to Astrodon. Think you can do better? I say bring it on.